So in this demo, we are going to see how we can build a Copilot based on a generative AI that can help legal professionals in analyzing and reviewing different legal documents. And in this case, we are going to use contracts. So what we have here is a legal professional will interface with the entire system, leveraging the Copilot interface that is powered by Automation Anywhere. And a Copilot interface will allow legal professional to upload the contract, review the contract, and leverage Vertex AI to ask questions about certain areas of the contract. When everything is completed, legal professional will be able to submit his or hers billing and invoicing information. So we are starting with our ARI interface, and we're going to start a legal Copilot automation by clicking on Start. And what is going to happen is we will have our Copilot popped up. In our case, it popped up on another monitor, so we're going to pull it over. So we see a legal generative AI Copilot has two sides. The first side is the left side is a real navigational. We can select the client name, put the billable time, and also do some activities on a document. On the right-hand side, it's a document itself. So let's first upload the document. We're going to upload the document, the contract that we downloaded for public domain. And we are going to select a client's name, and we will submit the contract for processing to Google Vertex AI. So a couple of things are happening here. Vertex AI is analyzing the document and uploading all the relevant pages. When everything is completed, we see how many pages we ingested. And on the right-hand side, the legal professional can really see the document and manually review the contract if needed. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, we have a couple of buttons that are giving us most important information that we need to extract from a document. So first one, let's kind of extract the non-compete clauses. So we will activate Vertex AI, ask a question, and generative AI will pull summaries where non-compete is mentioned. The same thing for a right of first refusal as well. We also have a different references where legal professional can research additionally in the document itself. Now, question is, who are the parties? Again, that's a response. What is the governing law? Again, that's also the answer provided by Vertex AI. Now, we also allowed legal professional to ask a free-form question. So we're gonna input a free-form question about the document, and we will leverage the generative AI in the back end to provide an answer. And after the analysis, the answer is provided as well as relevant document references so that legal professional can go in the document itself, verify, and get more information about it. Now, let's ask a couple of more different questions just to see how system and how model is going to perform. So now we are talking about anti-assignments that are defined in a contract. We're submitting a question very quickly. We are retrieving the information. When we are done, legal professional will put the billable time. Let's say we spent 5 minutes. We are completing and submit everything for billing. And in the back end, what we are going to what is happening is that we are either going to upload the information into the billing system, but in our case, we just wrote the information into the Excel spreadsheet in this case. And this is the Excel spreadsheet. There's a couple of entries that we already had in. But the last one was entered during the demo. This is a client name, client code, and how many billable hours legal professionals spend on the specific task, which is a contract evaluation. Thank you very much for your time. Please follow Presidio on LinkedIn, on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. Thank you very much.